fam, welcome back to our channel. This is Miss Air Classy Beauty Savvy, and I'm going to show you how you can revamp your old laptop using a sticker, a laptop sticker. I got this from Shopee, so if you want to know where I bought it, I'll be linking it down below. So, eto siya. This is my old laptop. As you can see, hindi siya na ganun kaganda, and we already have itong sira sa monitor area, so I'm just using a washi tape para hindi siya masira. So, we'll make it more beautiful. Let's go! This is the sticker. It's so cute, and it also has a keyboard sticker now, so you don't need to buy a separate one. It will all look uniform and pretty. So we're going to use this, and let me show you how it's done. Start with this cover sticker. Ito yung makikita natin yung brand nung ating laptop, and of course, sisimulan natin to, peeling off the sticker and carefully applying it. The sticker is really thick. The quality is really good. Makapal yung sticker niya at hindi siya madaling masira. At kapag nagkamali kayo, madali din siyang i-peel off. Pero, sticky siya. If you know what I mean. Ganun siya kaganda. And para din siyang waterproof. If may sobra, you can always use a cutter and clean the edges para mas maganda siyang tignan. Now we're moving on sa monitor sticker, at ito ay medyo challenging, so you really have to do trial and error until mag-fit yung mga butas dun sa appropriate niyang lalagyan. Here comes my favorite part, ang paglalagay ng stickers sa keyboard. So fun. that's it. That's how you can easily revamp your old laptop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you do have any suggestions or questions down in the comment section below. I'll talk to you again next time. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Have a great day! Before you leave, you might want to check out the other videos I have filmed for all of you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in the comment section below.